Hello everybody and thank you for being here. Today I have a different video for you. It's one about hair. I just bought a half wig and this is how it looks. I really like it. I bought this one because I wanted this color. I saw the color was super nice and I always wanted to try it, but I didn't want it to paint my hair and do that because I was a little afraid that the color may not be good, so I saw better to do it on fake hair. So but I saw it was gonna be more of a blonde looking color instead of an orange, but I don't care because either way it looks really nice and pretty, so I'm fine with it. And I already took it out of the box, but I'm going to remove that. So let me show you the label so that you had a better idea of what wig or half wig it is. See, this is the brand right here. And this is the name of the half wig, which is Jasmine, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Or the style, name style. And the color is, this is the color right here. And it says that it's also heat resistant. Safe up to 400 degrees. So, and as you can see, it has a little wave. It's not straight or curly, just a little wavy, which is something that I was looking for. But let me show you a little more of how the half wig comes. So, you had a comb, this is the front, and you had a comb here. And then, this is a construction. See, and you have another comb here on the at the end, which will go right here, and you also get some adjustable straps to make it tighter. In case you think that this is too big, you can make it tighter so it fits better to your head. And I'm going to try it on in front of you so that you can see it. Okay, I put my hair down, and what I like to do is to separate, see, to leave a space. This usually this big, about 4 fingers, and I try to make a line and try to separate it all the way there. If you can see it, have one of those available or nearby, so it will be easier for you. One thing that I like to do, once I separated the hair, I separate another part, just that much of the hair, see? And let me put it to the side. So, and what I do, I like to comb that a little, and I like to make a braid only with this part of my hair. This is how I like to do my braid. I part the hair into 3 different parts, and then I start crossing one after the other like a regular braid. See, just crossing one after the other, and then once I got a little of a braid going, I take a little of the hair and join it to the very last part of my braid, and then keep braiding as if that part were a hole. So let's do it again. Take some hair, join it to this one here, keep braiding, because that way my braid is gonna lay flat to this side, which is nice. Take some hair, join it to the braid, and keep braiding. See, take some hair, join it, and keep braiding. Take some hair, which will be the last one, join it, and keep braiding. And then just keep braiding until you're done. And then just, secure your braid. I'm going to undo the ponytail so that I can join the braid to the ponytail, trying to do a low ponytail. So now I'm gonna take my half wig and I'm gonna take the combs right there, and I'm going to put the comb under the braid or inside the braid, whichever way you want to say it, and that way it's gonna secure this wig. I'm gonna get the rest, and I'm gonna stretch it and put the comb underneath the other comb that we have at the bottom, and then I'm gonna make sure it fits nicely to the size. So now I'm just gonna grab bobby pins, and I do wanna say something. I recommend, see how those bobby pins are straight? I do recommend to buy the bobby pins that have a little of a curve. I myself like to use those ones because they have a little of a curve, and when you put it on your head, in my opinion, they fit a little better. So you might be interested in trying those ones. In case you have not seen those, you might want to give it a try. So I'm just gonna push, see, the wig to make sure it fixes everything, and then I'm gonna put a bobby pin to secure the wig. Pull the wig, and I'm going to put another bobby pin right there, and I feel like I want to put one more here and another one here, because I feel it's gonna be a little more secure if I put a little extra bobby pins. So see, I like the color. So now I'm gonna let this hair go, which is my natural hair, and see, my natural hair will cover the fake hair. Okay, so now I'm just going to start styling my hair, and I'm separating the wig from my natural hair because it's my natural hair, the one that I want to style. And you can use a curling iron. I'm just using this one because I like this one, and I can make a review for it later on if you wish so. See, so I'm just gonna go ahead and style it. Get some of the fake hair with my natural hair and try to give it a little of a twist, see, so that everything looks put together nicely. And one tip that I want to give you, see how if you put it like that, you can see a little of the wig there. So no matter where you part your hair, to the side or the middle, grab some of your natural hair and push it back, so that way your wig, see, will be covered. Just some, not much. So I wanted to show you through the mirror so that you get a better look of the hair, how nice it looks, how well it blends. See how pretty? See, I think there is a better shot for you. I really like it. I think it looks very good, very pretty. I'm very pleased with this hair. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for being here. I decided to do a bump instead of parting my hair. But you, I mean, it's fine if you want to part it to the middle or side or whatever you want to do. That's however you want to part your hair is fine. I just decided not to do it because my natural hair, when I was parting it, the natural part, you know, my natural hair was laying really flat, and I didn't like that look. I wanted some volume. That's why I decided to go for the bump. I thought it was gonna look better, and it does, in my opinion. Do I look pretty? So anyway, thank you very much for being here. I hope that you like this video and that you learned something, because this thing of putting wigs on, I think is how can I say it, a nice thing, because they save you so much time doing your hair, and it looks like, wow, you spent 2-3 hours just making your hair look pretty when you didn't. It was just 5 minutes. I mean, it took me longer because I'm, trying to showing how to do it, and exactly how to do this and all that. I'm showing everything on camera, so it took me longer this time, but actually if I'm just getting ready, it's really fast. So anyway, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, and comment. Let me see what is it that you're thinking. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.